This demo covers Domino's performance and scaling capabilities. Domino is an enterprise-grade platform for model deployment, allowing for both horizontal and vertical scaling while training and hosting models, automated workflows, and built-in infrastructure monitoring. Domino's jobs are where developers and engineers can process data and train models in an automated fashion by executing scripts. Similar to Domino workspaces, I can select an environment in my infrastructure, scaling vertically as needed by changing hardware to machines with more CPU or memory, or moving to GPU tiers. I can also attach distributed compute clusters, which Domino can auto-scale for me so my runs can complete effectively. These jobs can be executed in parallel, drastically cutting down training time, or sequentially if desired. And they can be run ad hoc or on a schedule. We also have a rich set of APIs, making it easy to automate any of my production workflows or integrate with existing CI/CD pipelines. My deployed assets can also be scaled, adjusting the hardware type and number of instances for the model API endpoints I've developed, making them highly available. Dashboards can be run in the same capacity, with resource monitoring and numerous hardware options available. Admins have a number of tools to monitor their infrastructure and make changes before they become a problem. We have detailed dashboards and easily accessible logs for all user executions and hosted assets. And there are built-in dashboards for monitoring the health of your system, so you can see what's happening across the entire cluster in which Domino is hosted.